Prepare a needle nose plier. First, please remove the plug of the fuel pump. Hold the clip for the pipe. Release it, and then pull the pipe off. For the fuel outlet, it is with the same procedure for the end of the fuel inlet. Please use a container to catch the dropping fuel. Pull out the old pump from the shock-absorbing rubber. Fasten the new pump into the shock-absorbing rubber, ensuring the end of the fuel outlet is upwards, connecting the fuel pipe back. Please be aware of the direction. The fuel inlet is to connect the tank, and the fuel outlet is to connect the wire harness of the pump. Reconnect the plug for the pump. Start the heater and check if there is any leakage at the connecting points.